like you when I get to know you. Yeah, I look beyond the words you said, cause I was ready for you. I know that you don't think you are too healthy for me. Yeah, you said I won't like you when I get to know you. Well, I guess you was right. Yeah, well you right now. Yeah, you right now. I guess you was right. Yeah, where you right now? I need you right now. I guess you was right. Well you right now. Yeah, you right now. I guess you was right. Yeah, where you right now? I need you right now. I heard all the words you said, but I don't listen to you. I only hear what I need. I know that's why I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah. I know I ain't been the best person for you lately. You sound like you when I get to know you. Well, I guess you was right. Yeah, well you right now. Yeah, you right now. I guess you was right. Yeah, where you right now? I need you right now. I guess you was right. Well you right now. Yeah, you right now. I guess you was right. Yeah, where you right now? I need you right now. I heard all the words you said, but I don't listen to you. I only hear what I need. I know that's why I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah. I know I ain't been the best person for you lately. You sound like you when I get to know you. Well, I guess you was right. Yeah, but you right now. Yeah, you right now. I guess you was right. Yeah, where you right now? I need you right now. I guess you was right. Well, you right now. Yeah, you right now. I guess you was right. Yeah, where you right now? I need you right now.
Hard conditions out there. It was wind coming from every angle, raining all game. It was cold, but the lads dug in, and that's what we needed to do. And obviously we've got the 3 points in the end, which is massive for us.
There were moments that we were able to have good possession of the ball. There were moments that we only had counter-attacked, but all the game we defend well. We didn't allow Bournemouth to create chances. So this is the first principle, and it's a clean sheet. It's very important for us.